Hello, welcome to Cindy's Corner. And please, if you enjoy the story, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and tell your friends. Pete the cat, rocking in my school shoes. We always love to get new school shoes. Well, Pete the cat did too. The story is by Eric Litwin. Is the art or the illustrator is James Dean. He's a rockin' it, and he's a rock star. He's got his lunch. He's ready to go to school. Pete the cat, rocking in my school shoes. Cat City school bus. Look at all those on that bus. They're cats. He's ready. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Where it has lots of books. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. It's got Wild, Wild West. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Let's read this book. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Taking his lunchbox. The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. He's got his milk. How to open here. Let's sing a song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? You got that right. The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. What's he gonna sing? I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. He's doing math, doing his writing. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. He's getting off the bus. Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow." Because it's all good. Going in class tomorrow. Here he goes, riding again. It's all good. And boys and girls, you can rock your class too. Have a great time. Enjoy every minute. Give your teacher a special hug and tell your parents thank you and tell your teacher thank you. And I want you to give this book a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. We love our Pete the Cat. Have a great rest of the day.